Welcome to JH. Here is my candid assessment of Primal Viking. This supplement is marketed as a testosterone enhancer promising typical benefits like increased energy, improved mood, higher libido, muscle growth, fat reduction, better sleep, and a massive boost in confidence. Essentially, it aims to restore a sense of primal strength. However, I noticed a major red flag regarding their claim of a 97% increase in testosterone and over 100,000 transformed users. There is no accessible data or scientific research to support these figures, making it seem more like a marketing tactic than a verified outcome. The ingredient profile is quite unusual, featuring components like reindeer organs. While the ancestral theme is intriguing, there is a lack of rigorous clinical evidence proving these ingredients significantly impact testosterone levels in a measurable way. The branding heavily utilizes Viking imagery, including bold typography and rugged landscapes, which seems designed to sell a masculine image rather than scientific efficacy. Regarding user feedback, I found no verified customer reviews on platforms like Trustpilot or other reliable sources. Without genuine testimonials, it is difficult to determine if the product actually works or if the results are merely part of the promotion. Furthermore, the website mentions endorsements from major outlets like Harvard, GQ, and Forbes, yet provides no evidence of actual reviews or official support from these organizations. It is common for supplement companies to mention these names without having an actual endorsement. I also have concerns about potential subscription issues. Many similar supplements use recurring billing, and the Primal Viking site is vague about whether purchases are one-time or automatic. While they offer a 99-day money-back guarantee, the lack of customer feedback makes it uncertain if they truly honor these refunds or if the process is difficult. Ultimately, Primal Viking is either a brand new product still building its reputation or an overhyped supplement relying on marketing over results. I recommend waiting for verified reviews and more transparent information before making a purchase.